Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to start an Etsy shop with Printify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com. If you've not already, go ahead and open it up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we in the upper right corner want to get started. You can get started by logging in. So if you do not already have an account, what you want to do is go ahead and sign up for an account for Etsy. If you have an account, just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page from where we can get started. We can get started browsing all the products that we can use. We can get started managing our shop and so on. And now we can get started setting up our Etsy shop using Printify. So how do you get started setting up your shop? We can follow the steps easily right here. So right here on Printify.com, we have the option to how to start an Etsy shop. This is an article showing us the steps we need to do and what it takes. So basically, we are going to go and get started with all the steps right here. It's going to go and show you some ideal steps, such as researching the market, you know what you're going to sell, deciding what you sell, and so on. And after that, it's going to go and show you how to choose your products. And after that, if you need the step by step how to exactly set up your Etsy store, here it is. You're going to sign up for Etsy, as I just showed you, and create a shop. You can create your shop by clicking the shop manager option right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, we have the shop manager option, which after clicking it is going to go ahead and provide you the step-by-step details on how to set up your shop. You can set up your shop preferences, you can name your shop, stock it, you can select how you're going to get paid, and so on. So here is where you set up the shop itself. Once you have set up the shop, you can get started adjusting your Etsy shop preferences, naming it, and so on. And after that, you can stock your shop. You can stock your shop using your Printify products or whichever products you want, all directly from the shop manager I have just showed you, and that's how you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.